Hey fam, I am super excited to bring you this unit today. Yes honey, she is 27 inches, super long, super soft, and super affordable. This unit is definitely going to have you right for the night honey, so if you want to see how I installed this unit, stay tuned and keep on watching. What's up fam, it's your girl SHAREEN NICOLE and I am back with another wig review. Yes! So in this wig review, we're actually doing a ponytail, so I'm super excited. This ponytail is 27 inches. Right there I was just showing you that thing came with 2 sets of lashes, okay honey? But right now I'm just showing you the unit and she is gorgeous. So this company is called Eufy, like Youth Fee. Yes, you heard right. And y'all already know y'all don't need that stuffing, so just throw it away, honey. So right here, I'm just showing you the drawstring. It also comes with 2 combs that you put one on the top and one on the bottom of your head after you create a ponytail. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Ladies, this unit is literally 27 inches, y'all. I'm gonna show you in a minute how long this hair comes, but I was like, oh my goodness. So right here, I'm just showing you the drawstring, and you just want to pull on that and then wrap it around the hair because you can't leave it hanging loose. So it does take some time because the hair is a little long. So right there, I just took a piece of hair and wrapped it around. So this is a mid-length ponytail, meaning like if you want to put the bun of your hair in the middle of your head, this is pretty much where the wig is going to come to. She's super curly, super soft, and apparently she's heat resistant, honey. So yes, I'm loving it. So you just take another piece of hair just to demonstrate and show you, and voila. Look at that. So if you want it thick, you know, you wrap some more hair around it. So right here, guys, I'm showing you where the mid ponytail length comes to. So remember, 27 inches, honey. Look at this. Super long in the front as well. So I love it. So now we're going to go ahead and get ready to do this high ponytail. I'm going to try to get it as high as I can for y'all so we can see how this ponytail is looking. So right here, fam, I just slowed it down so you guys can see that there is a push button that you want to push and then pull the drawstring. So let's get this ponytail on, this high ponytail, and see where it falls on your waist, honey, because this ponytail is so cute. It's super soft and I absolutely love that. Non-irritating. I mean, like I said, the only thing that you're gonna have to work on is wrapping it around and not tangling the hair in the mix. So you can do a lot with this ponytail. It's very versatile. I actually like it as a high ponytail as opposed to a mid ponytail. If you guys pick this up on Amazon or whatever, you're gonna see in the picture that the lady is actually wearing a low ponytail, and I chose not to do that because I didn't really want to do a low ponytail. I love high ponytails and I think you will too. So let's take a look at where this comes to on my waist. Yes, honey, she is still long. Check it out. She is still long. I had to turn around to make sure it was catching the hair on the camera. Look at that. Okay. So right here, I'm just going to do a messy bun. Now, your girl had a little problems with this messy bun, but remember, we're working with 27 inches, so of course one side came out bomb and the other side came out messy. But listen, not everything in life is perfect, okay? Let's celebrate the side that came out super duper cute. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next Amazon review.